My name is Joe Barnett. I'm the Senior Manager of Global Procurement Solutions at Meritor, and Meritor is an industry-leading manufacturer of axles and brakes for heavy truck. We were executing well as a purchasing organization, but we were very heavily reliant on manual tasks. We were very inefficient, and so what we were looking for was a platform to help us collaborate to drive out a lot of those inefficiencies and become less reliant on manual tasks. We looked at a lot of different solutions. Many of them were targeted more towards just strictly indirect purchasing. Being a manufacturing company, we do quite a lot of direct purchasing, and we needed a tool that was able to handle both. As we were looking at the Ivalua product, the thing that really caught our eye was the configurability and the ability to collaborate within the platform. So those were really the things that stood out to us. The solutions that we chose with Ivalua were the supplier management, sourcing, and contracts primarily. We also did jointly develop a NPI, new product introduction, and as part of our 3-year strategic plan at Meritor, we are focusing on growth, a lot of new product launches, and so it's very critical for us to have a good way to manage those programs. The way we are using that module is a program manager has a list of parts that need to be sourced, and they are able to use the software tool to communicate with the buyers, keep track of and visibility of all the parts where they are in the sourcing process, and it really just a means of communication that's much better than the way it was done manually before. We've launched Ivalua in October of 2017, so we've been using the product for less than 1 year still, but we've seen quite a lot of benefits. Primarily the visibility amongst the global team, so we have buyers in different regions that work together on the same sourcing RFQ, the same sourcing activity, and so they have the ability to see what's happening in the project. So that visibility is key. It's also helped drive compliance with export control, which is very critical in our business, non-disclosure agreements with suppliers. The management team loves it because they can have visibility to the projects that are happening. They can see where the team is with those activities, and then we talked about the NPI module. That's been a great step for us in terms of the program managers having visibility to where all those parts are in the sourcing process.